Welcome back to my YouTube channel All Exam Preparation. So friends, in this video I will be talking with a person and I will be talking, you can say I will have a conversation on voice call. So I would connect a person by a app. If you don't know about that application, so I would tell you about that application after, you can say, in the words of in the last moment in this video. So if you are here first time, so don't forget like, share and subscribe this channel. So let's start. First of all, I want to start the screen recording on my mobile phone. So now I have started the screen recording of my mobile phone. So now I'm finding that application. So I found that application now. So I have to minimize, you can say, this application. Then I have to click on it again. Then there would be mentioned 2 to 3 icons, you can say. I will add this screen recording on this video so you can see it properly. So there is a 3 option. If I talk about in last side means and under, so there is first one option is home. Here you have to click it if you want. I will tell you about it everything. Then after that there is a mention chat, means if you have taken subscription on this application and you have some follower like 5 follower 10 follower, it's depend on people and you. So if you have some follower, then you can chat with them easily. There would be some charges, that's why I have already told you about that. And it would work free of cost. If some persons sent you a follow request, then you have accepted their request, then you can talk with them easily. So then the third one is premium option. There is a mention 6th month you have to pay 2999, means you have to pay 3000 rupees per you can say 6th month, in a 6th month. And if I talk about the per week due cost, the per week cost 115 rupees per week. And if I talk about other plans, there is a 1 month plan. You have to pay 999 rupees, means 1000 rupees you have to pay for per month. And if I talk about 1 week, there is an option. If you don't want to practice that much, means you don't want to practice in a month and 2 month and 3 month, you want to practice only 1 week, then you can take this membership. You have to pay for that only 700 rupees. Then you would pay. After that you can talk with girl and you can create a group as well as. Then I think there is not any option to create a group. Yes, I would be telling about a second application. So there is mention. So if I talk about last one, the last one is profile. You can change your profile. When you have to click on that, then there is a mention edit. Then you can edit your name as well, like if you want to hide your name, like people cannot see your name, then you can hide your name. You can write other different name like your user's name and as well as whatever you want. Then you can send with people. You have to click there, then you can copy this link, then you can send to people. You can send them through the WhatsApp, through the if WhatsApp and social, you can say every, whenever, where you want, you can send this link. And then if you have followed some people, then there should be mentioned zero follower. Because no one followed me, I am using it since you can say 1 week only, and I haven't sent with many people whom they can follow me, so that's why. And no one followed me. There is mention 00 because I haven't followed with someone, so that's why. And if I talk about other hand, means you have to scroll it. then there is mention a current strike and best strike. There should be mention, means there is mention that how many days you have used it and what was your performance. If people sent you a good, like a good thumb, then there should be mentioned that this, then best strike is always consider it. And if I talk about other, there is mention other option, then there is mention join premium today, means you have to click on that, then you would go again your plans serious learning to go premium, then you have to go back, then there is mention share, you can share to people, you have to click here, then you can select a WhatsApp as well, then you can wherever you want you can send this video there. Then the last one is contact, means if you have some error, like you want to take membership on this application, but there is some problem, you are unable to take membership, like some payment method and some, as well as there are lots of problem, you can say, if you are not finding some peoples and some network problem, you can say whatever you need, you can contact them, then there is an option chat, you have to click on that, then uh, it's not working in my mobile phone, but you can click on a Gmail as well, then you can send them Gmail, like whatever you want, then I can write hi, I am unable to join with people, then you can send them, then they will respond you, then you should do this work, you should do this work, they will tell you about everything about that, then you can call to them easily. There is mention open talk is your space to practice real conversation and build genuine connections with people from around the world, means so I will not tell you about in Hindi, you could understand, I think that. So if you haven't understand, if you are unable to understand what I said, you can send me a message into the comment box, then I will reply you as soon as possible. So then after that there is a option report a big help us improve, means you could understood, I think you have understood. So let's finish this session. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.